Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this new Hortons. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the Tim Hortons logo. Now we're gonna continue working on this because what we can do is we can make it more extruded. So instead of 25 only, I'm gonna put it at probably 200 because that's how big the Tim Hortons are. And then it's not actually all red. I think they put brownish on the side here. So what I'm gonna do is this is already edited, so we edit the model in place, and then here we could go to modify, and then we can select a paint. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm going to choose something that is, so for example, this birch, something that we haven't used yet. So I can't remember if I use some of this, but to be sure, I'm gonna use probably a carpet. Why? So that once we're in Twinmotion, um, that program will assess the Revit file, and it will actually uh, will know that this is a separate um, material. So here I wanted to be in this material so that I could see the changes that I created. So now I need to select each and every one of them, and as you can see, this will take a while, but make sure that you select everything so that you can assign the proper materials once we're in Twinmotion, especially all of this corner right there. And you just need to be patient. You can use tab and if you're not selecting the proper ones. And I want to make sure I selected everything because I don't want to go back again here in Revit just to fix something like this. At least you do this one time and then everything will be okay. And you could do it letter by letter so that you don't miss anything. Probably just do the ones at the top first and then work my way down. And then after this, what I'm planning to do is to add the lights Um, they have a specific light that they have in their restaurants, exterior walls. So that's something that I created. Um, so I found an almost similar one, and then I just change it a bit because I don't want to start from scratch. And I have this one that is almost similar look. So that's the way I did it. I just edited that one, convert it to something that what they have there, and luckily I was able to do it a lot faster because I didn't start from scratch. And those will be available as well. So as you know, all of my series, all the things that I use, I always put it in part one description. So you will have it in part one description, and all of those are will be available. Even the logos, the background CAD that I use for the equipment. So it will be available there. And we just need to finish this. Oops, undo that part. And then lastly, on this side only. There you go. So we have that Tim Hortons. It will be around brown color once we're in Twinmotion. And then now, click done, click finish as well. And then now, Tim Hortons, they have this like dark or like brown or dark gray and red stripes on their canopy. That's something that we're gonna do as well. But what we need to do first is to add um, the I think this is called strips. So we need to add that. So I'm going to add it right here. So I'm gonna add it all around. It's something that we can actually add using our wall sweep. So this is our wall sweep. Let's see how it looks. So it's something like this. This is a lot bigger actually, but we could use this one, something like that. And it's easier for us to just do because it's already in with Twinmotion or with Revit. So we're going to put it all around. See how easy it is. It's already, it came from Revit already, so we just need to add those. So hopefully everything needs to be added like that. And then I believe we need to trim this out or just connect them. And then I'm going to align them. Let's see if they're already aligned, but not sure why it didn't make me. So I'm gonna push this one right here. And then hopefully if I add another one, there we go. There we go. At least it fixed itself. I want it to be thicker, So I want to see if I could edit the profile. It says here that is default wall sweep cornice. So if we do, we need to create a better one. So maybe 2 bricks, of course. This one is a lot bigger. Um, how about 1 brick? Of course. I think 1 brick is the perfect one. 1 brick, of course. And then I want to add another sweep. Edit, duplicate, cornice 2. We're going to create some profiles at the top here, but for the parapet. We're gonna use this one right here, and then edit this, and then change this one to something for the parapet. So this is the top over the parapet cap. I want to add something different. Maybe this one. That we could add there. I think that's good enough for that location. We could change it a bit to see how it looks. I think 300 is good enough, but I want something different for the seal, so I'm just gonna undo that. So now I'm gonna add all of this right here at the top, so CS on that. I'm gonna add it right here on top of this one as well. I'm going to align that for sure, because once we align it, everything will. So align it. I'm gonna use this one. There we go. So it will create that nice look there. And then I'm going to add it on all of this. So select that CS, add it on top of here, and then on top of here as well. And then add it right here. And then let's not forget to add the materials for this. So CS, and then add it at the top right here. And you want to make sure that everything is aligned again. AL, I'm gonna assign it from here, then right there. And because it's not aligned, that's why it's doing it like that. AL, there we go. So as you can see, everything looks nice. I'm probably going to add a wall right here to cover this. I think it's a lot nicer to have it covered like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to first floor, CS, and then go to top parapet or lower parapet instead. I'm gonna add that wall. CS, add it right here. Of course, that's not correct. What we can do is we can pull this one onto the top. We could align it, AL, align it on this corner here, pull it up. This is for ours only. And lower parapet connected to this wall. And then same idea, we need to move this one all the way AL. So it's giving us some error there. Pull it back a little bit. We need to pull it back so that it doesn't give us error. We shouldn't. There we go. And then let's connect this. I think that's good enough. And then add this one right here. AL. There we go. We just need to connect them. I think because the wall is not connected, that's why. Modify returns, but it's not working. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Try to extend it a bit. No, doesn't look good. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. The only problem is I forgot the material that I added here. So I can't remember if this is, which material is it? What wood material? I'm sure I didn't choose cherry. So maybe oak. Not oak. I'm gonna undo that. Maybe soft lumber or sass. Maybe it's sass, so I'm just gonna change that a bit. And I'm happy with what I have here. And then we're going to add, like I said, we're going to add the blocks. So we have this Tim Hortons block right here. It is wall. So it attached to the wall. and then usually they put three in the middle like this, and around we're going to have to add maybe one on each window. Of course, we're going to align all of this, so don't worry. And then here, entrance, we're basically just adding some of here right here, and then we have the canopy as well. So we're definitely going to clean this up. I'm probably going to add two here. I think two is enough because this is a bigger wall or window. Two here as well, and then one of each here. But we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.